So this is just to replicate how it used to look like in Cooper Road. 10 years ago, I was still primary 6, 12 years old. I'm still a little kid.
Cooper Road back in the day was no menu, no food, just come in and order your coffee and pay whatever you want.
There wasn't anything else like that around at that time. You know, Hooper Road is like this little side lane before you get to the madness of Little India. And it was very communal.
I'm here to remember Papa Palheta. Specialty coffee is just a way to connect people.
It opened up my eyes to how coffee was made from farm all the way to cup.
This was how we used to pack our coffee. We will make rubber stamps and then we will stamp on every single coffee bag.
Then we got married.
We needed coffee and then we kind of like stopped over Cooper Road.
The gown and the suit, all sweaty, right? And that was one of the most unforgettable moments in Papa Palheta and Cooper.
The first coffee that I ever tasted from them was Nuts and Bolts House Blend. It kind of blew my mind away.
You almost travel the world with your coffee, right? You get beans from Ethiopia, you get beans from Rwanda, from India. And Papa Palheta is a big part of bringing all of that in.
Coffee quality has always been the same. Good coffee.
I want another.